Facing many problems on Instagram like crashing app frequently? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to report a problem on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Let us suppose that I am having a problem with this reel. To report it, what I can simply do is shake my phone. Then this menu pops up. Tap on Report Problem. Tap on Include and Continue. Then Instagram will automatically take a screenshot of the page you were on. Now simply explain what problem you're facing, then tap on Send at the top right. After that, Instagram will try to solve it and may get back to you as well. And that is how to report a problem to Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.